Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today you want an all-in-one workspace for PDFs, AI-powered documents analysis, content creation, presentations, podcasts and collaborations. Adobe Acrobat Studio combines Acrobat Pro, AI Assistant, PDF Spaces and Adobe Express Premium into a single productivity platform. It allows you to analyze documents, chat with PDFs, create presentations, generate podcast style summaries, collaborate with teams, and manage content without constantly switching between apps. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Acrobat Studio in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, open Acrobat Studio, like launch Acrobat Studio, sign in with your Adobe account. Okay, so after signing in, you will arrive at the Studio Home interface where your document spaces, AI tools, and content creation features are available. Okay, so Acrobat Studio serves as a central productivity hub rather than a traditional PDF editor. So upload your documents, like add the files you want to work with, like, okay, so for example, we have PDF, reports, contract, research paper, meeting notes, training materials, web pages, office documents. So better organized documents usually produce better AI results. So create a PDF space, like create a space, new space, or a similar workspace option. Give the space a descriptive name such as projects, research, contracts, review, clients, documents, business, reports. So PDF spaces act as AI-powered knowledge hubs where multiple files can be organized and analyzed together. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.